here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Happy you're here today. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe, like, hit the bell button, and comment down below. And also check out my description down below for links to my shops, books I have on Amazon, and all kinds of other places and products that I recommend that I've used that I think are really great for natural healing. So in today's video, I want to share these herb cards from Mountain Rose Herb. Now, Mountain Rose Herb, if you're not familiar, is a company out in Oregon, I believe, and I can check right now. I should know this. Oregon. And I have been ordering herbs from them for over a decade. And they were small, much smaller a decade ago. And the first time I ordered from them, I was just so surprised with the quality of their herbs, because quality is determined by smell, taste, color, texture. And compared to the other herbs I was working with, they were just far superior in all of those categories. So I ordered from them and also bought other things that they have besides just herbs, that so many things on their website. Great company, great product, sustainable. They care about the environment. Their shipping is, or their packaging and their shipping is all like recyclable, and it's just really like no waste, zero waste. So really like that company. I don't order a ton of herbs. I really do plant a lot and collect or wildcraft a lot. So I don't want to give you the impression that I'm just like ordering. I probably place about 2 herb orders a year, because I do collect or grow so many of my own plants, which is really what I'm hoping to inspire here with my channel. This is something that they offer on their website. It is the Herbs and Medicinal Plants cards. The Academy of Natural Sciences. So here's the box, and this is an older box. It might look a little bit different now. And then in the box, you get these beautiful drawn cards. Now, of course, they're prints. I was trying to see how many are in here. I'm not sure, but quite a bit. So these cards are really fun. Really nice botanical drawings on the one side. And then the other side you have, so this is horehound. And then on this side, you have the Latin name, the characteristics, and then what it's used for. It's used as a diuretic, an expectorant, a stimulant, traditionally used for a medicine for coughs, etc. So I like to kind of refresh my mind by looking at the cards, going over plants that I'm less familiar with, but the main way that I utilize or use these cards are with my kids. And what we often do is I have like them set on a dish on my one shelf, just like this, and not in the box. And every day, well, I shouldn't say every day, like a few times a week. I encourage them to do this every day, but together we'll do it a few times a week, where they pick a card. They look at the plant on the front first, see if they can identify it, turn it over, see what it is, try to practice the Latin name, read about the plant, and then we'll sit together and I will ask them to share with me a few characteristics from what they read. A lot of the plants they are familiar with, and if it's something that we have outside, I will send them to go look for that plant. And as it is late November, there is less available than in other times of the year, but we still try to go and look for it, or they'll remember, oh, I know that it was in this location. Or even if I've picked it with them, I said, remember when we got this here. So I found these to be chamomile, a very lavender, very useful tool for myself, and also to use working with my kids. Like I said, you can get these cards on the Mountain Rose Herb website. It is linked in my description down below, and please use my link versus just searching Mountain Rose Herb, because if you go over there, make a purchase, that helps this channel. And at this point, I don't have a lot of large offerings. My offerings come in my suggestions, my recommendations. I have my Etsy shop. I have a merchandise shop. I do work as a community herbalist in my neighborhood, in my community, seeing people one-on-one in person. But I do not have like a big course program. I like to, or at this point, I'm enjoying giving information through these videos. So if you're going to get these cards, like I said, link through my description, the Mountain Rose Herb one down below, and come back and watch another video. Thanks, and bye for now.